Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Patki and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The purpose I'm making this video is not to analyze any match but a very different topic, a very unique topic, and I think it must resonate with all the cricket fans because I'm first of all going to talk about two things, the umpiring and the changes that have been brought, that is the over rate, the fines, the penalties, and soft signal decision. So first of all, we will look at the soft signal decision. I think it is a good decision because soft signal doesn't serve any purpose. As we saw, there was much controversy between the dismissal of Surya in the fourth T20 international which took place between India and England last month. Soft signal doesn't serve any purpose. Most of it, the umpire looks, takes time, and if he is unable to make a decision, he goes out with the signal that was set by the umpire on field, which is out or not out. So it nullifies the purpose of sending the decision to the third umpire. So how can you just take a decision based on 80 meters, the ground umpire I'm saying, and give it out or not out, and then send it to third umpire who then analyzes if it is out or not out. Most of the time the decisions are not overturned, and the soft signal which is out or not out, that is the final decision. So that didn't make any sense, so I think it is a good decision. Second is fines and overrate. So I think it is good because most of the time the captains are very what you say, not lenient, but they are also very casual. So most of the innings go past 105 minutes, that is hour and 45 minutes, or sometimes even 2 hours. The first match went 2 hours, and the second match, CSK innings went for 2, CSK and DC innings went for 2 hours. MS Dhoni was fined rupees 12 lakh, but I think the fine should be more stringent because rupees 12 lakh, with all due respect to at least a man of MS Dhoni's caliber, is nothing. So and I think the teams are also willing to take the fine for a victory. So I guess stricter regulations must be there. There are now, according to the rules, two fines of rupees 12 lakh, and if there is a third offense, so the captain misses the match, and there is a penalty for the team as well. But I think to make the product more consumer friendly, because as you know, the time slots have been moved from last season 8 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So but still the matches go on till 11:30, so that drains the purpose because at the start T20 was like in 3 hours it is done, but with the advent of strategic timeouts, there are 4 timeouts in a match, 2 per innings of 2.5 minutes, so that also takes away quite a bit of time. And third, I would like to say the umpiring standard in the country unfortunately has been not up to the level of international standards. Only Nitin Menon is the umpire that is in the elite level, and many umpires, so you know that Shamshuddin or Anil Chaudhary sometimes make good decisions, sometimes there are pretty, with all due respect, horrendous decisions. And when the any decision is referred to the third umpire, at least 2-3 minutes are gone that in that in English commentary, you also your get on fast with it, the other foreign commentators say that. So that I think becomes very irritating for us and quite embarrassing for the umpires as well. So we must need good umpires and who can take the decisions quickly and not send every decision to the third umpire to play safe. So that also saves time because the purpose I mentioned earlier in the videos, because it has to be consumer friendly. Above 3 hours it doesn't work that way. So we are going to see the advent of T10 in England because of this, because Simon Hughes, the respected analyst, said that T20s games sometimes drag for 4 hours. So the cricket fan has also wanted to less the time, and T10 is going to take place. So this sort of thing doesn't happen. I think IPL is the best tournament in the world, as we all know, and these changes would be beneficial. So please share your thoughts in the comment section below and what you think about the changes, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for further notifications. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.